When it comes to reliability, most people automatically think Toyota. But here's the truth. In 2026, some cars and trucks are quietly outperforming Toyota when it comes to long-term dependability, maintenance costs, and owner satisfaction. These vehicles have proven that bulletproof reliability isn't just a Toyota thing anymore. So buckle up, because today on Car Care Nest, we're counting down 10 cars and trucks that are more reliable than Toyota in 2026. Let's start with number 10. Number 10, Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 has earned its place as one of the most reliable compact SUVs in 2026. Mazda's attention to engineering precision and simplicity pays off. Minimal electronic failures, smooth transmission performance, and engines that easily last 200,000 plus miles. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine is known for consistent efficiency and durability, requiring only regular maintenance. Unlike Toyota's RAV4, which has had minor transmission and software issues, the CX-5 stays steady and smooth. J.D. Power ranks it above Toyota in reliability, and owners love its premium interior and handling. If you want a trouble-free SUV with a touch of class, the CX-5 is your go-to. Stay tuned. The next one gives even Toyota trucks a run for their money. Number 9, Lexus GX 460. Yes, it's from Toyota's luxury division, but the Lexus GX deserves its own spotlight. This body-on-frame SUV is practically indestructible. Powered by a proven 4.6-liter V8 and a bulletproof 6-speed automatic transmission, it's the SUV you can abuse for decades. Owners routinely report over 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Unlike some Toyota SUVs with turbo or hybrid complexity, the GX keeps things old school, and that's why it lasts. Its dependability scores from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power rank it above Toyota Highlander and 4Runner. In 2026, this thing is still a tank. Coming up, an American truck that outlasts even the Tundra. Number 8, Ford F-150 Hybrid, Power Boost. Ford surprised everyone with the F-150 Power Boost hybrid's long-term dependability. While Toyota's Tundra Hybrid faced turbo and software issues, the F-150's Power Boost system has aged gracefully. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid delivers over 400 horsepower, yet maintains low failure rates according to RepairPal and CarEdge. Transmission problems? Rare. Battery reliability? Proven in fleet testing. This truck can handle towing, work, and daily driving without breaking a sweat, and maintenance costs are surprisingly low. Ford's latest generation F-150 has finally nailed reliability in a way few expected. Next, a brand that once failed hard but is now dominating reliability charts. Number 7, Kia Telluride. Kia shocked the world with the Telluride, and in 2026, it continues to outperform Toyota's Highlander in dependability. This SUV's naturally aspirated V6 engine and simple transmission setup make it less prone to failure than Toyota's newer turbo systems. RepairPal gives the Telluride higher reliability than the Highlander, and owners love its solid build quality and minimal repair costs. It's also one of the few SUVs that consistently avoids major recalls. With a 10-year powertrain warranty and exceptional durability, Kia has proven it's no longer a budget brand. It's a reliability powerhouse. The next one is a truck so tough, it makes Toyota's Tacoma look fragile. Number 6, Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline has been underestimated for years, but it's secretly one of the most dependable trucks on the market. Built on a unibody platform, it doesn't suffer from the frame rust and transmission issues that plague some Tacoma owners. The 3.5-liter V6 is tried and true. Minimal oil consumption, rock-solid cooling system, and very few drivetrain complaints. Owners routinely report 200,000 to 250,000 miles without major issues. Plus, its smooth ride and clever bed features make it practical and comfortable. By 2026, the Ridgeline ranks higher than both the Tacoma and Frontier in overall reliability. Next up, a European automaker you'll be shocked to see on this list. Number 5, BMW X3 with B48 engine. Surprised? Don't be. BMW's latest generation X3 with the B48 2.0-liter engine has proven to be one of the most reliable European SUVs ever made. BMW simplified the design, improved cooling systems, and ditched the complex electronics that plagued older models. The result? Exceptionally low repair frequency. Consumer Reports now places it above Toyota's RAV4 Hybrid in long-term dependability. Maintenance costs are still higher than Japanese brands, but the X3 rarely breaks down. When properly serviced, it's a luxury SUV that outlasts expectations, a real sleeper in reliability. Coming up, a hybrid SUV that's rewriting what reliability means. Number 4, Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester continues to be a reliability legend in 2026. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive and naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer engine are proven to go the distance. Subaru refined its engine seals and CVT over the years, eliminating most of the issues that once worried buyers. Today, the Forester beats Toyota's RAV4 Hybrid in owner satisfaction and repair costs. With low maintenance needs and excellent safety ratings, it's the SUV you can hand down to your kids someday. For reliability and practicality, the Forester is nearly untouchable. The next one might just be the most reliable pickup on Earth. Number 3, Ram 1500 Hemi Verve 8. The Ram 1500 with the 5.7-liter Hemi Vive 8 continues to surprise reliability testers. Unlike older Rams, the 2020 to 2025 generation improved build quality, suspension, and electronics dramatically. J.D. Power now rates it among the top trucks for long-term dependability, even above the Tundra in recent surveys. The Hemi engine has a near-perfect reputation for durability when maintained, and major issues are rare. It's not just a workhorse, it's a comfortable, reliable daily driver that holds up better than anyone expected. Next, a luxury SUV that defines reliability without compromise. Number 2, Lexus RX 350h. Lexus once again proves why it's the gold standard of reliability. The RX 350h Hybrid uses Toyota's legendary hybrid system, but with higher quality materials, better cooling, and fewer reported issues than even the Highlander Hybrid. It's quiet, smooth, and has one of the lowest repair frequencies of any midsize SUV in 2026. Battery longevity is phenomenal, often exceeding 200,000 miles without replacement. If you want hybrid performance and luxury with bulletproof dependability, this is the one to get. And finally, number 1, the most reliable vehicle of them all. Number 1, Honda CR-V Hybrid. In 2026, no vehicle outshines the Honda CR-V Hybrid for reliability. The latest generation fixes all past issues, combining bulletproof hybrid tech with Honda's flawless engineering. Its hybrid battery pack has a near zero failure rate, and owners praise its low maintenance needs. Just oil changes and filters for hundreds of thousands of miles. It outlasts the RAV4 Hybrid in both drivetrain dependability and interior quality. The CR-V Hybrid is affordable, efficient, and built like a tank. If reliability is your top priority, this SUV wears the crown. So there you have it. 10 cars and trucks that are more reliable than Toyota in 2026. Which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Nest, and tap the bell icon so you never miss future car rankings, reliability reports, and maintenance tips.